Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Advocate General and Law Department's legal opinion does not clearly suggest pardon to Mickey. Cabinet cleared pardon plea with over-enthusiastic zeal. Mickey's pardon decision is fast as ever by Goan Cabinet. Iris Rodriguez appeals Governor to consult High Court. Congress, Aam Aadmi Party opposed decision. Vacha Sundar's custody extended up to 4th August. Crime branch files rejoinder. Fresh witness names a minister. Force continues agitation. MLAs try second attempt of mediation. Savio Lopez and activists refuse to budge. And FC Goa yet to decide pre-season training destination. Zico's boys to start training in September. English season to kick off on Sunday with Arsenal-Chelsea Shield clash. Now the news in detail. Government overlooked Advocate General and Law Department's legal opinion while approving Mickey Pacheco's pardon file to the Governor. Both have not recommended pardon to Mickey. On the contrary, Advocate General has asked for consideration that Mickey was absconding and on lookout notice. AG has also advised government to apprise Governor if Mickey has any other cases. But Cabinet has hurriedly passed the file and moved it to the Governor for consent. Special report.
Cabinet has approved pardon for Mickey and has sent the file to the Governor for its consent. File was dispatched to Raj Bhavan on Thursday, but prior to that, Government had taken legal opinion from the Advocate General and the Law Department. Prudent has got hold of the opinions. This is what Advocate Atmaram Nadkarni opined. Governor has to be apprised in detail before taking decision on Mickey's pardon application. Mickey was evading law, was absconding for a quite long time when he was asked to surrender before court. Police had issued lookout notice against absconding Mickey Pacheco. Governor's decision can be challenged in the court of law. There is a precedent of such a case in Uttar Pradesh where the Supreme Court has quashed Governor's decision. Governor of Uttar Pradesh was not furnished information in detail. There should be no political motives in government's proceedings. Now, this is what Law Department has said in its report to government. Mickey has been convicted by the court with least punishment for his crime. Mickey's present jail conduct be taken to consideration. Home Department may submit report on Mickey's other cases. By law, Mickey should undergo imprisonment for 2 years. Court has granted him only 1/4 of the term, that is 6 months. Motive behind jail term is to keep the accused away from his family and society and make him realize his mistake. Mickey has 3 kids and ailing old age mother. These facts can be considered. But Advocate General or Law Department has nowhere mentioned whether pardon should be granted or can be granted. But CM Parsikar showed super proactiveness and passed the file within 18 hours pertaining to Mickey Pacheco's pardon plea. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Cabinet has hurriedly taken decision to pardon Mickey Pacheco. This decision is the fastest ever decision taken in the history of Goa Cabinet. While stating this, Iris Rodriguez has appealed Governor to take consent of the High Court before giving her decision on Mickey Pacheco's pardon plea. Congress and Aam Aadmi Party have also condemned the Cabinet decision.
I am requesting the Goa Governor that she should make a reference on this issue to the Honorable Bombay High Court and seek the opinion of the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court on this issue before she takes any decision. In fact, I have been informed at least by 2 ministers that on 29th when they were signing that cabinet note, they were not aware whether Mickey was sought to be released on parole or pardon. Mickey Pacheco's application for parole is not working. They reactivated this file on the 28th of this month. And the Law Department gave its opinion on the 28th, the Undersecretary at Law, It goes to the Joint Secretary Law on the same day, 28th. It goes to the Law Secretary, the Chief Secretary on the same day. And then on the 29th, the Chief Minister in his noting says that it be placed before the Council of Ministers by circulation to be returned 10 a.m. on the 30th of July. I am told by the Secretariat sources that this is the first time the Chief Minister gives less than 10 hours for the thing to come back by circulation. The Chief Minister in Goa's history has never written a note like this.
Congress has opposed pardon to Mickky Pacheco. If government pardons Mickky, then other jail inmates should also get such facility. Congress Goa desk in charge Digvijay Singh took a static dig at the Parsikar-led government.
It's a very serious matter. If Mr. Pacheco can be pardoned, why can't others who are languishing in jail take a considered view? But we publicly condemn the decision of the cabinet to give pardon to a person who has already been convicted and undergoing a jail sentence.
Aam Aadmi Party has also condemned pardon to Mickky.
आमकां सामकें दुख्ख जाला गोंयान एक म्हळ्यार कितेंय जावं पूण देर वॉज अ रूल ऑफ लॉ एक कायदो सगळे पाळटाले मिक्की पाचेकोच्या इशून जे कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टरांनी मेळून जे गोंयकारा बरोबर ही हें केल्या कांड केला हो ताचो आमी प्रोटेस्ट करपाक आयल्या आनी आमी रिक्वेस्ट करता बीजेपीक की हो पेटिशन फाटी घेवचो सुप्रीम कोर्टान मिक्की पाचेको सांगला यू आर अ कन्विक्ट सो हू आर यू.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa Zyka Project Director A. Vachasundar's police custody has been extended up to 4th August. Court heard Vachasundar's bail plea on Saturday and postponed the hearing. Crime Branch has filed a rejoinder petition to its arguments, while Vachasundar's counsel has asked for more time to reply on Crime Branch's fresh arguments. Sources say a fresh witness has named a minister.
Special Court will hear A. Vachasundar's bail plea in Louis Berger scam on 4th August again. Vachasundar's remand ended on Friday, but court has extended Vachasundar's judicial custody by more 4 days. He will be in Crime Branch custody till 4th August. Crime Branch added more arguments to the bail hearing of suspended Zyka Goa Project Director A. Vachasundar. This addition of arguments is based on Shah Consultancy advisor Prasanna Shah's deposition. It seems Shah has named a minister. Shah has also deposed that Vachasundar acted as middleman between government and Louis Berger Company. Vachasundar's counsel has asked for some more time to place his arguments to the Crime Branch rejoinder petition. Court will hear bail plea of Vachasundar on 4th August again. Meanwhile, Congress leader Digvijay Singh has demanded CBI probe of Louis Berger scam.
We would like an independent inquiry, preferably by the CBI. That has been our consistent demand. To Mr. Digambar Kamath personally yesterday night, and he has brought out facts that at no point of time the file ever came to him. It was a Japanese funded project, and the whole process was, the due diligence was done at all appropriate level, and the tenders were approved by the Japanese funding agency itself, JICA. So therefore, there is no question of any involvement of Mr. Digambar Kamath.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Force activists have refused to withdraw their hunger strike. Attempts by some independent MLAs to mediate failed on Saturday also. Force is demanding MOI bill in this session of Assembly itself. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.